Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. Today we're looking at a machine that's set to redefine entry-level adventure biking, the 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 160. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a lightweight tourer or a beginner exploring the adventure bike segment, this bike has plenty to offer. Let's break it down. The V-Strom family has been synonymous with reliability, versatility, and adventure. From the iconic V-Strom 650 to the rugged V-Strom 1050, Suzuki has a reputation for creating bikes that can conquer both city streets and open trails. The V-Strom 160 continues this legacy, tailored for riders seeking affordability without compromising performance. Let's start with the features that make the V-Strom 160 stand out. Engine powered by a 160cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine with fuel injection, this bike delivers 15 horsepower and 14 Nm of torque. While it's not a powerhouse, it's tuned for smooth delivery, perfect for city commutes and light off-road adventures. Suspension up front, you get telescopic forks with decent travel, and at the rear, a monoshock with preload adjustment, providing a comfortable ride over uneven terrains. Braking system equipped with a front disc and rear disc setup complemented by a single-channel ABS. The V-Strom 160 ensures safe braking in varied conditions. Wheels and tires. The bike features 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels with dual-purpose tires, making it versatile for both asphalt and dirt. Fuel tank. With a 12-liter fuel tank, the V-Strom 160 offers a respectable range for your weekend adventures. Tech. A fully digital instrument cluster provides essential ride data, including a gear position indicator, fuel efficiency tracker, and trip meters. Suzuki has also included LED lighting for better visibility. The 2025 V-Strom 160 might be a smaller sibling in the lineup, but it punches above its weight when it comes to versatility. On paved roads, the engine feels smooth and refined, with a predictable throttle response that's beginner-friendly. The bike reaches a top speed of around 120 km/h, making it ideal for highway cruising. Off-road, the suspension does a good job of absorbing small bumps and uneven terrain. While it won't handle extreme trails like its larger siblings, the V-Strom 160 is more than capable of tackling gravel roads and mild dirt paths. The lightweight design also makes it easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through city traffic or navigating a tricky trail section. The single-channel ABS kicks in at just the right moments, adding a layer of safety without being intrusive. Now, let's talk about design. Suzuki has given the V-Strom 160 a rugged, adventure-ready look. Front end, the sharp beak-like design is inspired by its bigger siblings, giving it that signature adventure bike aesthetic. Bodywork clean, aerodynamic lines flow across the bike, and the minimalist graphics add a modern touch without being overbearing. Seat and ergonomics. The stepped seat is comfortable for both rider and pillion, with a neutral riding position that reduces fatigue on long rides. Color. Suzuki offers the V-Strom 160 in 3 striking color schemes: champion yellow, pearl white, and metallic black, all of which enhance its adventure-ready persona. One of the most attractive aspects of the Suzuki V-Strom 160 is its price. Starting at $2,800 USD or equivalent in local currencies, it undercuts many of its competitors in the adventure segment, while offering a similar level of functionality. When compared to bikes like the Honda CB200X or the KTM 200 Adventure, the V-Strom 160 stands out as an excellent value proposition, especially for riders prioritizing reliability and ease of use over outright power. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 160 may not be the most powerful bike in its class, but it brings a lot to the table: affordability, reliability, and the spirit of adventure. Whether you're navigating the city streets or chasing the horizon on a gravel road, this bike is ready to take on the challenge. What do you think of the V-Strom 160? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.